Now, next, onboarding. Again, specific importance has been given to onboarding, not in terms of automation. There is some automation, but in terms of bringing some human element to it. ठीक है, एक कंपनी में पहली बार कोई आ रहा है, यू आर द फेस ऑफ द कंपनी, और पहले दिन में आप ना बस करना है, काम कर रहे हो, यू डोंट हैव एनी इंटरेस्ट, you are not showing any nice things to the company, to the people, you are just running through a PPT. उस पे उसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा, he will not get, and today's millennials are such, जो 2000 के बाद people are joining the organization, people born after 2000, they are really restless, they see a very bad thing or something which they don't like, they immediately leave. So we have seen this culture in startup. People will come for 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, they leave the company because there's lots of job for them. So you will have to be very careful on this. Next is performance management. Now ये एक बहुत important चीज है, performance management. So this is something which I focus a lot in the training. I keep on repeating even in the training. So this is something which is not really given importance by HR or by the managers. No one. People expect their team members to grow, but they will not give any effort, which is a vicious circle. So how to come out of it is mentioned or explained there. Payroll management, again, as I said, this is a value addition thing. If you don't know payroll, you should know it, and it'll only help you in your career. Admin, so this is some value addition thing which you can do once you have done all this on implementation, process 1 to process 4. You will have lots of time available with you to do some value addition thing for the company, which the management or the company as a whole can appreciate and see what you are doing. And the last one is the L&D and the exit process. So we cover all these things in particular days, every particular days.